Okay, hi everybody. Welcome back to our weekly meeting again for the live stream showcase updates. So before we actually get to start, let's take a quick look at the disclaimer. Now, WPAT is not a broker, nor is it a financial planning solution. The products that are in place are actually Forex products that we will be discussing, and Forex is a leveraged product, which may not be suitable for all investors. It does carry a high degree of risk. Now, if you want independent advice, it is highly advised that you can seek independent advice for better understanding of what the Forex market holds. Okay, let's jump right on in. So today, what we're going to focus on is our live stream showcase D. Okay, showcase D, like every other showcase, we will always have three accounts. Now, quick overview. Okay, we will always be showing everything very transparently. So, for example, all of these MT4s or MT5s that are going to be shown here, they will always be showing the opened orders right now from the traders. How traders can actually come on live on our live stream to be showcased, they must have their own trading account over here, trading and profiting. Okay. Or if they're showcasing a demo, then they must be able to have a live account that they're running with their own funds, or at least have one investor that they're actually trading for in our partnering brokers to be able to showcase their accounts. So today on live stream D, okay, let's quickly take a look. D1. Okay, let me just pause this. Come on. D1. Okay, the video is a bit long. Alrighty, so anyways, D1, okay, as we can see over here, right now, the opened orders with pending floating loss, we're looking at $129, okay? Now this trades only Euro USD, okay? Now this does have some manual trading as well, okay? Now the opening of the orders are all via an EA, okay? Now it runs with grid, and also it does have lot size increments. Okay, it's not a real martingale. Okay, it's grid plus lot size increases. Okay, based on the trend. Now, where the manual trading comes in, it's the manual interference to actually be turning on and off the EA. Okay, based on the trend of the market. Okay, now the unique thing about having manual interference with such strategies is because if you let grid or martingale just run by itself, the clients must have a large amount of funds available. Okay, now having the trader there to actually be controlling the opening and the exposure of the risk is vital to being able to withstand such a long time surviving in this strategy. So this strategy started in 2018 with a $5,000 initial capital. Now, in 2021, we're looking at a total profit of 880% growth, okay, with minimal drawdown. We're looking at a drawdown of possibly less than 20%, okay? So let's move right on, okay, to strategy D2. Okay, D2 is over here. Now, D2, we're looking at a floating loss of $49 right now. Okay, D2 is quite interesting. This is actually one of the most popular ones from our live streams that people actually do jump on board to do the copy trading. This is actually long-term, okay, trend trading, right? So some orders do hold for quite some time, but okay, it will have grid also involved, okay, with small lot size increments. Okay, now the unique thing of an exit, they will always have a take profit, okay, or a stop loss, okay, set per order. Once it hits a certain range, it's going to actually enter into a trailing stop. Now, most of the time, without hitting the trailing stop, it will usually close off with an averaging. Okay, so there's multiple methods of an exit strategy on this strategy. Okay, now let's move on to D3, which is at this right bottom corner. Okay, with D3, this one basically is no martingale at all. Okay, and it does have lot size increases. Okay, based on the price action. Trades only on major pairs only. Okay, now this strategy has already made a total growth of 336%. Okay, and a drawdown of 50%. Alrighty, so let's quickly actually take a look into the major details of the weekly and monthly growth per strategy. Okay, so for, for A1, let's take a look. One moment. Okay. Alrighty. So for D1, okay, last week's growth we're looking at 0.64%. Last month's growth we looked at a 2.62%. Now so far for this month of May, it's a 2% growth. On average, on a monthly growth basis, okay, based on the records, it's showing 7.67 percentage. Now let's take a look at the average profit for D2. Okay, overall profit, we're looking at average profit of 10% per month. Okay, last week we have a profit as well at 0.98%. Last month is a total 8.16% growth. And for this month so far of May, we're looking at a growth of 3.36%. Okay, now D3. Okay, overall profits, we're looking at 336% growth. Average, we're looking at a monthly growth of 29.93%. Okay, with one of the largest growth copy traders out there. Last week, a total of 1% growth occurred. Last month, we looked at a 8.68% growth, and this month so far is more than 6% growth. Okay, for all of you investors and traders out there who want more details, feel free to actually click on the MyFX book link over here. It will actually guide you to our MyFX book page for the WPAT. Over here, you get to actually see all of the stats for most of the live streams and some of the clients that are actually doing the copy trading that are allowed to be showcased here. So any brackets client means are the client that actually joined the live streams and are showcasing their accounts here on WPAT. Okay. So for all of you guys who do want more information, always feel free to email us at info@wpatglobal.com or talk with your account manager and one of our partnering brokers to understand how you can become a trader or how you can actually be copy trading on the live streams. Okay, so stay tight and hope you guys all make lots of profits trading Forex. We will see you next week.